I recently bought myself a pickup truck because I was so tired of my friends moving without my help. Folks, if you want to reconnect with people that you have not heard from in forever, just buy yourself a pickup truck and wait. Get calls from guys like Rick Detmeyer. Hey, Matty K, Matt Knudsen, it's Rick Detmeyer. We went to third grade together, bro. Long time no talk. Heard you got a pickup truck. Congrats. Well, hey, listen, dude. I'm at the Home Depot in San Diego. And for some reason or another, the 200 pounds of manure I just bought is not fitting into the trunk of my Civic. So even if you could spare 9 hours, that would be awesome. And I will make it worth your while, dude. Gang, I'm here to tell you right now. I'm at the age now where if I want pizza and beer, I'm just going to go ahead and buy my own pizza and beer. That way, I can enjoy said pizza and beer without a herniated disc in my back. And I got trying to get a Wurlitzer jukebox up 3 flights of stairs and into a dimly lit post-divorce 2-bedroom.